Meaning of s.
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 S. The suffix s is used to form feminine nouns, indicating a female who holds a certain rank, title or occupation. For example, actress, hostess, princess, goddess, and lioness. It is usually added to the end of a masculine noun to indicate that it refers to a female. Using s can be seen as a way to differentiate between male and female roles. However, it has also been criticized for reinforcing gender stereotypes and limiting women to certain roles. In recent years, there has been a trend towards using gender-neutral language to promote inclusivity and equality.